Hello viewers, welcome to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I want to show you how to use the most affordable thing that you always have in your homes to get rid of acidity. Now, this is ash. I got my ashes. I'll show you, you'll see in the video how I got the ashes. You'll see in the video how I got the ashes by burning the firewood. And this is very good for acidity. Now I want to show you how I got my charcoal that I'm using to make activated charcoal. I lit some firewood and they're fully burnt, and then I got my charcoal. You can see my charcoal. They are very light, very light. You want them to be fully burnt and they be light so that you get the best activated charcoal. Because it's mixed, I want to sieve it to make sure that I get very fine ash. Now you have to make sure that the sieve that you have is big enough, the one that you'll be able to give you there. The powder has to be you can see I've sieved and left with only what I didn't need, and you can see how fine my ash is. The ashes are very fine. Now, anytime that you experience heartburn, very simple. This was traditionally used to treat acidity, the heartburns and all the acid reflux problems. Now you just do like this, and then it's not harmful. It works instantly and get rid of the heartburns and all the acid reflux issues. This is very most affordable. You don't need to struggle. Why do you have to struggle with heartburns? Just use this. It does not do any harm to you. Because how it works, it's because the ashes are basic. They are basic, and taking something that is basic and meeting the acidity, it neutralizes the acid, and thus you'll be okay. Kindly do not forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos. Don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to put on notifications for more videos. I love you with the love of God. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you for staying at Jackie Naturals. Thank you for keeping it at Jackie Naturals and for being part of the family. Thank you so much.